Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. So this session, I'm just going to discuss about our positional scanner. So which uses for stock options mainly. So um, after this, August started in the another two sessions. So how it generated some uh, stocks to find out with this particular scanner, along with to find out whether this is a right opportunity or what are the things which gives you the entry or something, which we are going to discuss here. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And if you have any questions or doubt, just ping me on my WhatsApp number shown here in this video, or just comment on this video also. Okay, so this is what a positional scanner, which using based on our positional strategy. So we have a core content. So stock options mainly to select some stocks from the F1 list. So this scanner is to find out some opportunities from overall F1 list, and based on this scanner which we built on basis of the strategy. So we have strategy for edging as well as naked. So here this is what the update which you have last video we made it, and there is no stocks which triggers. And as of now, August, we have some 3-4 stocks which is triggers, where we are going to check whether it is a valid or not. So, for example, the scanner scans all the F1 list, and we can track those lists as per the monthly. So, monthly means it is will be 1 month holding period maximum till the expiry, and the calculations which you are doing on the monthly IVP based, that is what till 30 days. So here, these are all the opportunity. So why we are using this course is mainly to find out some 3 to 5 stocks overall the month. So if you are tracking from a beginning of the month, we can easily identify an opportunity by using the scanner, and you can apply the strategy. So for an example, these are all the list. So how many where it is triggers or not. So for example, this month we have the first opportunity which is on guard break. So that has happened by yesterday. Let me check that one, guard break flip. So here, this is what the option. Previously, it is having some good liquidity, and where the breakout is 2100 146. Whether it is possible to trade or not. So 146 maybe after 10 o'clock, that would be a possible to trigger, and where the trigger is happen, and we know where to keep stop loss, or if it is an edging strategy, we can keep that edging position. And now today it made high around 300 nearby 298 and closed by 247. So this is a valid entry. And one more thing, K 5000. So let me check when it is triggered, because it's a positional. We have to track whenever it triggers, we try to find an opportunity. 5000 strike where opportunity presents. So 420 breakout. So here is the 420 in the second candle, but after 9:30 we have the possibility to get that price, and now it is closed to 564. Still it is not reaching our target or even stop loss. It is a positional, so which we can hold it. Like National Aluminum doesn't provide you the opportunity, but even it was a gap up. So we didn't consider this as a right opportunity. 350. So as of now, for the month, we are finding two opportunities if you are tracking from yesterday. So by using the scanner, so our breakout point is somewhere around 26.2. The first candle it went up to 28. Then it never, in the first 15 minutes, we didn't consider that as a valid breakout. 26.8, I think, sorry, 26.2. When you are tracking after that, it never came down. So, or it is not that exact trigger price, it is not reached, so it is not a valid one. Okay, and Jubilant Food, Siemens 3750. Like, so if you are watching a scanner from the beginning of the month, easiest way, we can easily find 1 or 2 opportunity, but the core content and the course content which you have created for finding some 3 to 5 stocks overall the month by using this particular scanner along with the strategy. And in a put side, let me check. I think Mutut by yesterday 3150. Let me check. 3150. Even yesterday market positive, but we can find an opportunity. You can look at this, the Muthoot 262. So it doesn't give you an opportunity. Okay, it was a gap higher from 135, started by 290, and it went up to almost 386. So we consider this is not a valid, and also it is already moved more than the expected range. So we simply ignore this. Even though it is in the list, we should not be focusing this particular stock because of it is already moved as per our expected level. So we have some formula to calculate the expected range of any particular stock by using the IV and IVP and IVR. So it has moved more than the expected range. Even though if it is came down to the range, we are not considering this as a valid things. And LICI 425 25.2. This case put option, this is also not a valid one. So 25.2, so where it is 25, still there is no opportunity. It was in gap higher, almost 33, and it went up to 38. So here also we are not focusing that it is not a valid or active entry. So like this, we need to filter out, because this particular scanner which help you to find the opportunities, and it will be scanning all the F1 list. From this list, we should manually filter out those stocks which is going to be better opportunity, because we are not going to focus all the list of stocks. From that list, we try to find one or two opportunities only. Okay, so that is what the main logic which we have built this web app for a scanner, which is helping you to find some good opportunities. The same one which you are using in charting. Okay, previously around 2017 to 20, we used that one in a charting scanners. I have dashboards, like, sorry, I created many scanners in charting, and where it is Atlas. Yeah, here I think. So you can also cross verify. So top gainers on monthly basis. So you can look at this kind of stocks would be mostly similar to that. But here that thing is, we have to first find out the stocks and finding the strike price. And after that, we have to check the trigger point. So manually. Okay, so this is also be the same kind of scanner which you have created in charting, that is also helping to find out the opportunity. But this is what a directly option scanner which help you to find the strike and breakout. But here we have to manually do what the stocks and then strike and calculations. Then we have to use our calculating the breakout point, then whether we need to check whether it is triggered or not. So that is what our scanner which you have built it on a web app. So it is an individual app which you can use it on your PC or whatever. This is a web app link, so we can use it mobile or even any devices once we installed on your system. So here, this is what a scanner which you are using previously in charting. So after that, we used a Google Sheet scanner. Now we converted now the new web application which is helping you to find some good opportunity. So you have to learn the strategy and then use the scanner effectively. Then you can able to find out some opportunities for your positional logics. I hope you understood the logic, and maybe one or two opportunity, even the first week itself, we can able to make it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.